abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Salamukela Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by the one and only Deb3 Events, an events and media company. You know, guys, my name is Nondudu Zongube, ngihamba lo General Leslie. Sihlezi sikhumbuzana nje ukuthi Deb3 Events, whenever you need you want to host an event, you want events planning management, you get in touch with Deb3, be it a corporate event, be it a social event, be it a church event, be it a family event, any type of event, Deb3 Events ilakho ke ukuthi kuphathise. And also if you need a photography, a videography, sound engineering services, if you need a recording studio, you need rehearsal space, Deb3 Events ikhona ke futhi lapho. Siphinde njalo siye kuma LED screens, lighting solutions, sibiye kuma special effects, stage hire, PA system, Deb3 Events iya supplier futhi khona lapho. So it's everything under one roof. Let's look up. Shop. Skipani. Manje la mafutha ula ngabe kuthiwa ulokulifutha nje bengathi ihwahwa liza
amnandi lomhlulo banzi. Utha awengingabamba lapho. This year, right? Sanibonani, welcome to Enkundleni exclusive igama uGeneral Leslie ngihambi ngedwa as usual amalondudu Zongube, and we always remind you that this episode is powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic work. Kule ngwandam so abanjinela wona so ngizalitshengisa, so ngakhuluma la mshapshap ngizakutshengisa amangwande ngwajinela Okuhle Designs, but balenzela ama poster, balenzela ama banner, balenzela iskipa, balenzela amakepes nxa ufuna ukubhala lapha ukuthi his queen kumbe her king akwazuchinela babulala member bakho. So
nxa ufuna ukubhala aselibulele
ilizwe nxa ufuna ukubhala aselibulele ilizwe. Okuhle Designs abakhethi wena uyafika uphela lento yakho ufuna ukuyibhala then bona sebekubhalela and ama details abo akhona khona wena uphela ubomba ukuthi cha bahle bakuchinela amangwana khona but mina merchandise eBF sengiyithanda. And this week bengani bayalo so abantu so ukhona umunye kade ighost ngichaze kade egqoke iHalloween le bhathi swelikhulu lemnyama so ngathi ngubaba phela lo baba ka Ejuni Ejuni uthethe epore uthethe nje so but abantu bayepi.
And we also saw indaba ka aselibulele ilizwe ivela ku a training picture that we saw, very beautiful lovely ladies ade begezile bebahle bazichayela izikipa zabo ezifananayo ezibhalwe aselibulele ilizwe. Azikwazi ukuthi kumbe ngama China
ngibeka amakundlwane
asikwazi khona lapho kodwa imessage ibisithi aselibulele ilizwe.
Mina isicelo sami ukuthi maybe wena mbukelo uyakwazi ukuthi kanti bathini abanawa laba ngoba bahle balama shirts ama dimas bafaka ama dimas esikipeni bagezile ba fresh banukelela even epictures onxa umkhangele lawo le perfume kodwa bagqoke iskipa ezibhalwe aselibulele ilizwe. And this was a game Highlanders le Dynamos bona bahlezi ku Highlanders bashaye black and white and bathi aselibulele ilizwe. Ngicela lincede bakithi ngobani.
Anyway, this has been a very exciting week. We saw some of our very own musicians, producer, besifakela music, sibele music entsha. And of note, we saw 2 songs. Enye ibe ivela ku Sandra Ndebele. Kanje ngoma ka Sandra Ndebele ithini? What's the title?
Umuzi ya. Umuzi with Platform One.
With Platform One, hey?
Umuzi.
And then we saw another song from Feb G. Ikhuluma ngabogweja. Ingoma ikhuluma ngabogweja. It's actually doing very well on YouTube because as of now, during this time of recording, it was around 14K, yeah. So it's doing quite well on Facebook. So, and I'm sure...
with 25K, yeah.
Yeah. But then, I mean, say one thing. You don't have to have a good song for your song to have many views.
Kube.
Yiko ngathi ngikhuluma lesson engibonile mina phela nxa ngibona izinto ngiyabe ngifuna ukufunda ingoma yakho noma ingamnandi uyakwanisa ukuba lama views amaningi
especially mayingamnandi
because guys let's be honest I feel Sandra Ndebele is no longer that Sandra.
Yeah, it's Maziyo Pe.
It's like, Malaika, you know? Oh, Malaika, Buhlebe, Africa, yo. It's no longer the same. And Minantem, what out Platform One? But yes, I was disappointed.
No, mina, you would see sing YouTube yam. Pari, ngicela ukuthi lihambe kuma comments. Kulo muntu obhala comment, then spaces discuss ukuthi sithini nge-comment la. Kulo muntu obhala comment exactly amazwi size ngwashaya exactly pari yena uthi obe commenta under ingoma kaSandra Ndebele le Platform One. Wathi kuqhakathekile ukuthi uSisu Sendi adinga ama ghost writers. Angazi ukuthi ubesitsho mina ngacela grade 4.
You know ngikubambe khona lapha. I've said this before on the very same platform, which you can be a good vocalist and a horrible songwriter. You can be a good songwriter and a very, very bad vocalist. So the moment you self-assess and know ukuthi wena ume ngaphi, ikuphi okukwanisayo, the better for you. Because the problem is like people want to be everything. You cannot be everything. Bakhona abangama good songwriters and good vocalists, but they are a few. Anti ngabalenhlanhla yabantu. So it's best ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi hayi mina ukuhlabela ngiyaburara but ukubhala kuyangehlula. Hayi mina ukubhala ngiyaburara but ukuhlabela then bese siba nomunye umuntu ani ongelakho konke but oyi hard worker.
Usebenza nzima
Right? Very bad songwriter, very bad vocalist, but a hard worker.
Yeah.
Yabo abanengi bethu
kulaba
banjalo ngama hard workers but italent level ingekho.
Mina nto yabona ukuthi bengikhangele 2 champions because nxa usizotha Platform One and ucabanga lena bafana you know ingoma isikhule sizilalela so you know sike sadlala ama Christmas ngePlatform One kuphela and also Platform One then lo Sandra Ndebele you're thinking of the last hit hello this guy from SA Professor kodwa lizile indaba engaka mina
baby
lay phela ibhithi lakho ngelokuthi asoyokugida ngiyokulalela anti ibhithi lakho najahanga then nxazo mina lalele akulo ukuthi ngilalele kwakho
ingoma yani yokuthi awusozilalele every day ayifuni insuku zonke hayi
ifuna ungahlangana layo ikhala uyilalele then ingaqeda la usuthi uhamba
but akazi enye into futhi ani enye into ekhona there's a saying ukuthi a good dancer knows when to leave the stage.
But madoda.
Yabo. So umuntu kasuke sisakholisa sisamthanda you know a concentrate kube nokucancela and stuff like that.
I see what you said.
No, I'm just saying you know abantu besakuthanda kwampana besathanda into zakho music yakho anti I think she would have built a legacy ngabe uthe I am now mentoring and coaching amanye amankazana namantombazana afuna ukuba njengami, it would have worked best for her and her brand. Because already kathesi ama-views ulawo but
no, for me it gets worse. Mfuna singaphuma e-studio ulalele enye okuthiwa nguScotch.
That's what I'm saying, Pela. That's what I'm saying. You know what?
Kuthiwa nomfana lo ongu-MC zabo sibelwane. Injani
That's what I'm saying, Pela. Umuntu lo, guys, let's not lie to each other. Let's be honest with each other. Usiyanda Ndebele sakhula sikithi ingoma zakhe zimnandi
sizikholisa kumagala sasilandiseni.
Ziphuma ezomgido wherever. Sandra Ndebele. But now that's why I'm saying a good dancer knows when to leave the stage. Yabo. Khathesi kulabo congress landlani.
Uyabona sebefuna umfaka
the plate is just too full.
Bamforce vele lingenzi njalo bamforce.
So I think kumele sikhangele khona lokho. Mina I wonder ukuthi if 42k views lezi are they genuine views? I wonder.
No, abantu they follow names. It's Sandra Ndebele and Platform 1. You'll pass through.
Okay.
Uzadlula ubona and then usudlule ubona, because it could have been better. It could have been worse than that if it was a nicer song.
Yeah. Yes.
And yingoma yama-Giants angu-2 and but even mawubhoda so ayitshaywa anyway, amabhawa ayitshaywa, echechi ayitshaywa, even ku-Burial Society ayitshaywa,
so
ikhona nje ku-YouTube. Different from eka-Feb G. Yi-basic singalong nje ngama-kutu epiano. But ekhalile so ebehave so ngabona ukugweja so beseqa so ngathi okay, yeah.
Uyabona ingoma ka-Feb G and I would like to think ukuthi ile target audience.
Yeah, true.
Unlike ekasisi ngapha. I'm trying to think ukuthi who
umthatho band uthi ama-champagne akhona.
Can you try that song at your wedding?
I mean, angisoze ngitshade yona vele ichisile. Mina angisoze ngitshade yona ichisile.
Who does it appeal to? I don't think it appeals to anyone. Eka-Feb G, I have a feeling yokuthi yabona kubo Sgodini ngale. Kubo Flabusi le.
Kubo
Gwanda le.
Nyathi.
Ayayayayaya ziyafika few. And i-type zeneziyana yize ezigcwalisa ipalace. Masho.
Vela ngavele ahambe epalace ngengoma yakhe la.
Angathi Flabusi nge show. Kafiwe. Yabo angathi Gwanda le show. Kafiwe. Yabo. So that's why nsithi kule audience.
Yeah.
The mistake that our musicians make is just singing what they want and what they enjoy singing egeza yena. Not thinking about the person that they are singing for. Uhlabelela bani? Ubona ngani umuntu omhlabelelayo uzezwa njani ngengoma yakho? What's your intention? Ufuna zweni? You know, all those things are things that should be considered when people are writing songs.
Yeah, true.
But they don't. Angavele angani uyakhothama edobhi ilitshela ukuguquza ukuthi so kuyi lyric. So kuyi lyric.
Ansakuxuzi. Ngiyakwazi ukungena e-studio after a hit is coming bafethu title of the song
ukuthi umuntu ecabanga ukuthi ingoma leyi umuntu engimhlabelelayo uzayi-accepta yini. What's my intention with this song? Ngifuna azweni, ngifuna athini. They don't think of that.
Okunye, I think into ezayenza sihlale sikhala ukuthi i-competition isuka ibe nlutshwana. I remember bengixoxa lamajaha just before we came in ukuthi so far mina karesa ama-videos engawabone hangethusa ku-YouTube angu-2 aphume kobulawa ekanoluntu J lekakhweza. Noluntu J kuthiwa ema-7.
That was a good one.
Top
that
7.
Was a good one. that was brilliant.
Leka Khwezu Masipambaneni. So imagine ngabe silama video
Masipambaneni, I didn't see that.
anjeyana nje. Maybe angu 30.
No,
Nawe uyabusethuka so mawusiya record because umama uSendi wafika wazimele egangeni angikwazi ukuthi iganga lela linga. Ivideo yeze yaphela.
Uyazi ukuthi enye into yazi ukuthi ngizajudge into ebukhulu. Yikho munye ezithatheli ama lyrics kaMajayivana azihlabele ngoba kuyahlupha lokho ukubhala ingoma. Yabona? Isithathele uza kufa kubi uza kufa kubi ngabafazi babantu mba nanso
hayi competition yafuna
kuyahlupha.
That's why abantu abahlabela Chibilika they will always bring out the best ngoba ngale kule competition ngale ngibe lo mnyama last week ukuthi mbukele uGodolude ka 3 amalanga elandelana mbukele busy khona ngambukela emfeni ka Desire khona ngale enkulumani ngambukela futhi amphitheater emfeni futhi ka Desire ungabukela uGodolude ka 3 so yezwa inhliziyo yakho isima so iyama so inhliziyo yakho so iyama so because uyakwazi ukumisa inhliziyo zabantu so ime so uthi kanti umfana lo wenzani so kule competition ngale because uyabekwazi ukuthi angavela relax 2 minutes kukhona vele omunye vele uyabe kwampa umxolisi uyabe zithi kwampana la
I was watching Amara Brown.
Yeah.
Where is our Amara Brown? I was watching uThombani uNdlunkulu essay.
Ulwa.
Where is ours? We had someone owayefunga ungena khona lapho angikwazi kwasuka kwathini we had Sigel. Sigel phela waba lesikhathi zakuthi sapho sasa yeyi. Yabo. But then ngani she backed down. I don't know.
No, we've got this
Thombani
kanukazelo. Sure, I'm cool.
Because I'm thinking ukuthi
ohlabela
kubo hip hop ngani sikhona and Vuyo Brown.
Yeah, nguyo wangapha.
She's more of Afro jazz.
Yeah.
Lwana she's okay. She's okay. And ule class yakhe
Tina phela.
Ehloniphekayo. Yeah. Now I'm talking about ku hip hop silabo awakhiwe silabo Noluntu.
Yeah, Noluntu.
Who else hip hop? Ukhona omnye ngimkhohlayo.
Kubo mama.
Kyla Black. Yeah. Asibuyeni ngapha lapha kweze yabona nxa ngikhuluma ngabo Makadzi, abo Amara Brown what ungani sashoda. Siloba. Asila?
Yeah.
Sasila uSigel wayengena kompa.
Yeah, I think
uSigel vele.
After
uSigel wayele stage presence so ngutshela ukuthi ungambukela so uyakholisa sibili. So angazi was slower down. I don't know why or she was frustrated or what, I don't know. But we heard that in her. Who else?
They are mepengcenye amanye ama talent.
Vuyo Brown and singabafaka labo bhekiwe khonapho.
Shekinah,
you know,
Tendisa Mazwai.
Music leni uthi nxa uhamba ugqoka isigqoko sesilk lamaqwa.
Yeah.
Asikhulumeni ngemusic yokuthi umele ugqoka tennis.
Hayi ematheniseni hayi. Enxe ngikabi mazi but hayi. Akule mningi mazi.
Especially women. Women, where are you?
Hayi man, uAbigail.
Abigail. Hayi but yazi ukuthi ungena nga. Abigail ungena kuzene zathu zikhuluma.
Ziphi? Hayi uAbigail ukibo Makadzi wethu lwawo Abigail lwana Abigail.
Ngwerumba phela Abigail.
Alena sorumba lena iAbigail. Izonre khona iAbigail.
So ngezindlela Abigail kana competition.
Hayi Karisu yedwa hayi Karisu Abigail uzimele.
Wayazijayela ama shows
yedwa. Hayi Karisu yedwa hayi mathoda mbani umuntu ongamalo. Khathesi stage ni mbani ongamalo Abi.
That's what I'm asking ukuthi Bulawayo women where are you? Yazi uthi isho ka Amara Brown yazizwe ngikhangela so ngathi we are our very own. We want something like this lads. Yabo?
Yeah.
Ukuthi singathi siya ku show we're always watching Mzo 7 we're always watching the Pillars. You know sicela latha bethu abe uthi uzasukuma la uzuzufuna ukuchaya iskokotshe.
Yeah ngoba
the women
Ama-gents ngapha, ama-gents are-worker, let's be honest. Ama-gents
Ladies, where are you?
are-worker.
Where are you? There is a gap. Abigail uyedwa.
Ku-right ukuthi ube good one.
Antiyabona ukuthi
But uyabona umsindo kaMzoseven lwana asidebate
antiyabona
ngawo.
ukuthi umkhulume after how long silokho esikhuluma ngento le yani.
When was his last show? So asimeni kuna. Ngoba Abigail wena show last week edabula.
Uyayizwa kodwa into esikhulumayo. Uyayizwa kodwa into esikhulumayo. Do you hear what we are saying?
I think Mama Pagaman.
Igap le. This is a gap. This is an opportunity.
Nkosikazi wami ukuthi akula ngoma zakho zingu2 ongazidabula. Ngani kule gap phela ke mama.
Kuthi uyazi I don't even know why Abigail bengambizi kuma Dukens le ukuthi Dukens le kulalabana ama China.
Ama China.
Anyway, Abigail Mabuza.
Awuyakwana ku Dukens le lapha.
Hayi ngisho ukuthi target audience.
Yindaba.
Even target omama. Omama bohlobo luphi?
Any mfazi.
Asikhuluma iqiniso.
Hayi ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Asikhuluma iqiniso.
Ngikhuluma iqiniso.
No, let's be objective.
Ntshela wena.
Abantu abalalela ingoma zika Abigail Mabuza.
Ibabi. Ibabi.
Guys, no. You're all not getting me.
Mina vele I'm not.
I'm talking. I am talking about the tribal side of it. Dukens Lay, igcwele abantu abanjani, guys. Let's be honest.
Abanjani?
Dukens Lay, that's why you perform performers. Most of the time performers they are rare because it target audience. Vele ngabantu abasoze angeke ufake insimbi zejwane for example ku Dukens Lane and expect them to enjoy faka uma chess so they will enjoy.
I mean ngiyala this year bekule Zimbabwe Defence Forces Day and it was in Harare and eHarare sikhambise insimbi and ishekile stadium ngensimbi zejwana. Mina I feel like because umakhazi do you know ukuthi la akula muntu okwazi isifenda la. But umakhazi angaqalisa ukushaya ingoma zakhe la sonke sayiqala.
Leslie asikhulume ngereality yeDukens.
Ngikhuluma ngereality yeDukens le.
Umsizi ke wakwa perform eDukens le. I think so. Wakwa perform? Kwa perform lo Thomani lo ubhuti lo washisela indlu inkazana igirlfriend. Trevor Dong. I can tell you, the audience enjoyed Trevor Dong. Do you hear what I'm saying?
Into ekhuluma ngiyizwa, but kule nto eyiwano oyikhuthayo anti. Anti kule ngoma zokulalela. Le ngoma zokugida. Ingoma zokugida ziyacrossa ama tribe. Ziyacrossa zeqele ngathi because nxa kuyingoma yokuthi for example uVuyo Proud ehlabela ngesindebele anti. Ahambe ayihlabelela iaudience maybe nehlabela nesindebele ayihlabelela abantu abazwa isishona abasoze bakukholise because anti akugideki kumele ukulalela but oka Abigail ama lyric lami nginja ngiwazi ama lyric kaAbigail but isabe seqa kuphela so ingoma zokugidisa vela zilanda ukuthi umuntu umakhathi uyeqisa abantu eHarare
so
but bengizwa lutho ngithi one word
so Abigail Mabuza can appeal to the Dukens Lay audience
uyakwana lapha
that's what lapho sesise ekuthini we want ama female artists which can also do that.
Yeah,
that's what we want.
Uyakwana sibili gata and mina Abigail besides
the way he's so defensive as uthi unjani he is so defensive ukuthi he is running away from the reality side of it.
Reality asiphendukeni kiyo ingoma egidisayo vela ayilandaba lokuthi uyezombawuzo because ingoma zikamakhazi Kharesu ngathi asisihlabeleni khathesi asisihlabeli but siyazigida singizwanga lutho. There was also Shoma Jones. I was big fan ka Shoma Jones angikwazi ngithi one lyric Because zingoma zokugida and awulalelanga lapha uyagida and but it's different from umsisi K because kumele ulalele and mina ngilishona angizwa ngumuntu mebhohlabela deep shona esecholocho babe ngizwa vele uthini but uma cheso etholela lo muntu ophakathi echolocho le elalela ibass guitar kuphele ngizwa lokuthi kuthwana wezikatali so ingoma zokugida vele azilandaba
Okay.
but ezokulalela manje kumele nilalele manje laba somele nilalele isindebele
ngiyayizwa ipoint yakho ngiyayizwa noma ngingavumelani nayo but ngiyayizwa
so Abigail ukuthi Duke's Slay uyakwana
right so the major message of this discussion ngiyokuthi bomama kubulawayo kule gap that is there
kuqhaqhekile
Abigail Mabuza uyedwa stage ngesakhe imali ngeyakhe audience yonke ngeyakhe we're talking on the female side right so nxa uhlezi khona phule talent ulihlalela it's up to you to knock at depth 3 you know and say depth 3 events talent nothing like I need rehearsal space I need a studio I need sound engineering I need all this I need that I need that then you're good to go yabo so just get in touch with the depth 3 events ushow italent lelo usitshengisele ukuthi wena ungubani anyway moving on I love the fact that ZRP on its Twitter handle published ama-traffic violators of Bulawayo.
Wow.
3,016 in total is more. Kwabhala number plate by number plate. So lawe nxa ukwazi ukuthi vela udriver indlela edakiweyo just check company uzatholela kwi number plate company khona.
Khona kuhle ukuthi ba publishile ama traffic offenders kodwa kubi ukuthi kulamanye angapublishwanga ngoba ngesikhathi soku offender babele $10
no lapana
aso camera yodwa isebenzayo
lapana kubhalwa be camera lapha
aso camera yodwa isebenza lapha laba bookiweyo ukuthi ukone kubi sakumisa wabaleka ngoba ula $10 esikubhuka la uswaphiya kwamba but nxa le 5 asakubhuki
okay so guys can I ask you something I know ukuthi into ezayibuza asithandi ngoba sethanda uba ama victims all right ZRP let's say ZRP is corrupt we all know that
I don't
ama officers
I don't
allegedly allegedly ama officers they are corrupt and stuff like that isn't in the end as a driver you are aware of that situation nangu nhlanhlathu phuma Gwanda Road awula fire extinguisher awula ma red triangles awula license awula spare wheel awula insurance awuthelanga you know then usubuya ukhala bandizisile kahle why kungamelanga lawe ube lento ezikwanileyo why can't you have your things in order
right
let's start there
emazweni alomthetho vela uphumi endlini izinto zakho zingakwananga because uyakwazi ukuthi umthetho uzakuchaya but lapha okwenza mina ngicine ngingakuthenganga lokho ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi nizadlula
kuthi ukuthi lawe wena ngokwakho awula umthetho
umthetho nyawuthatha ngathi abantu kumele banike umthetho kabala mthetho
guys you know what problem ene ukuthi sometimes we don't want to accept ukuthi lathi si wrong and lathi we are enablers of corruption ngoba kanye kunje uthi abanginika umthetho but umthetho uyawazi you are a car owner you know what you're supposed to have and where you're supposed to have it and wena ngokwakho kuthi uthi awula discipline nxa uvele uphuma endlini usithi ngizadiza kuthi uthi vele discipline wena ngokwakho it starts with you
bana phela ngikutshela no uyakwazi ukuphuma endlini ulakho konke okuqambileyo konke but at the end of the day uzadiza
madoda sikhuluma ngeqiniso
mina ngingudriver mina ngingudriver mina
let me give you
abakusweleli. I remember last week sisiye eMatopo, good example. Last week sisiye eMatopo esikole eMatopo anti sakhipha konke kwathiwa I reflector le one side emuva sijujukile, it's no longer ready enough. Konke sesikhiphile
yayingajujuka
ukujujuka kubhalwe ngapha ukuthi ingajujuka because kumele ireflective yayi-reflective yayikhanya ireflective but sokudingakala something bawutshela ukuthi le will natha uyabhadala awuswelelwa cala eZimbabwe even imoto ivela ikhiphe ekhasini awuswelelwa cala. So that's why people are tired now ukuthi ngaze ngithenge konke mbuthelele kuthiwa imoto yakho ingcolile.
Guys, you know what? I know we've had bad experiences. But I've seen people where they figure good roadblock. Engela red triangle. Kuthiwe badala $15 I think. Badala $15 and ubuyele. Actually kwesikhathi kuyathiwa buyela nga eTrilolo. Uyebhadala kafuni ukubuyela eTrilolo ayibhadala. So the best thing kwenza because kafuni ukubuyela eTrilolo ayibhadala. So you find ukuthi ngiyakuzwa into echoyana but you find ukuthi abantu lathi ngwethu thina ngwethu singama enablers.
Mina lokho nyala khona bono. Ngike ngahambe eNamibia by chance and ngingabanjwa la le roadblock ukuthi nilecala. Ambhadali la. Ngiyabhalelwa mina into yokuthi ngiyebhadala to the nearest police station. Ngisiyabhadalela icala la manje. Then akukho njalo no kuma angikwazi ukuthi kubizwa kuthiwa kuyini eZimbabwe because when we ask lapha mina ngikhuluma ngento engiyaziyo. Sathi sibuzo member laba ku roadblock ukuthi okay so sicela lisibhalele ukuthi sebhadala epolice station kwathiwa amabhuku akho na wasekho. So it's a cash roadblock ubhadala khonapho nxa ulecala so nxa ngingela mali ngenzeni. Yes. So even wena ungazutry ukuthi we enablers ungakhuluma sibili ngabantu abahamba imoto every day bakutshela ukuthi we are not.
So guys,
we have tried our level best but it's not working. Akula solution la. Akula because you can blame people but people have tried. Imagine konke sakukhipha sakufaka phansi kodwa hayi side leli side leli I say you read enough.
So iskipha lezani zithi asebuleli lizwe zilithi licha amapholisa.
Asazukuthi ame ubakhona sebeli buleli
licha amapholisa.
Kumbe o driver ama driver selibuleli lizwe.
Guys,
because I'm telling you ilizwe elilomthetho vele wedwa vele uyabukwazi ukuthi ngavele mphume la alapha sokuyilala fana le issue yana le yama camera well lapha nisoze nisole because into entsha but eSouth sibili ticket leyabuya sibili lo member we post office afika lifake egedini akutshela ukuthi after 14 days kuyabuya abantu abavele ecourt bazothatha amasofa nxa ungabhatala iticket leli and lawe nxa udrive yakwazi ukuthi kumele drive ngo40 ngoba akula muntu ozamisa athi park up ikamera yangithi phaka kuhle
but yazi ukuthi nani eyokupublisha le mina kodwa ngiyayithanda
lama I agree to that
eyokupublisha
that's okay
ngiyayithanda kakhulu
but imoto ayiyo ebikhona be you asesibe kwazi ukuthi bephakathi kwemota mbani
lokho
mina lamo mina ngithi ukuthi ngabe konke kwenziwa njani uyabona ukuthi no into eboy wena mana ngithi into ewane eboy nxa ubuya mebuvele ekasa nje ama private amiswa kuma roadblock labana then imchova lama Honda Fit achova kuyadluliswa kube overloadile mina nilezi zinto zonke nyamiswa ukuthi epakala ngiqasa ukubuza into ezincane but nangena umuntu uhamba ngemoto umele ithwala abantu abangu 3 uthwala abantu abangu 6 yadlula vele kabuzwa lutho then yena lwana umuntu odlule kuhle etown la sebeqasa ukuxothanisana ngana bayazani
so akula solution yezinto
akula lapha simele siline uphela
indaba yamapholisa iduba ngokuthi ungaqala ukukhuluma ngayo ayibi the conclusion. Ayipheli vele. It will always go on and on and on and on.
Yeah.
So the best thing ukuthi ababukeli basinika ama comments khona lapho besitshela ukuthi kahle what's going yakwazi bakhona bazanithethisa because of what I say. But anyway, tell us what you think, guys, ngendaba naleyi eyokupublishwa kwama number plates ayemota esiviolator ama traffic rules. And
I think uku right.
Yeah, mina lama I think uku right. So uyasitshela nje ukuthi why ubona ngani ku right and why ubona ngani ukho right. And ngimzwile uyaventa limzwile uyaventa. So you guys can tell us what you think. Ukwenze ukuthi sibone ama comments siza ukuthi ababukeli bethu bacabangana anti. But anyway, mbona ngani siyemaphethelo nosiphatheleni this month?
This month kuyachaza ngilo Colin Moyo album launch eka Colin Moyo abese church as venue zakhona mankosami. But ikona church ekas eka Colin Moyo 26 October I think sabe sesike saphenduka sonza linika I proper venue but the album launch eka Colin Moyo shy gospel and kulombuzo wabuzayo uColin performer.
Sabe sesike saphenduka yisho?
Something like that. But nxa sabe singaphendukanga bakithi ngicela licheke ku Colin Moyo. Ukhona uColin Moyo ku Facebook, ukhona uColin Moyo I'm sure. So ngicela liphombe ukuchecka kuma events ka Colin Moyo ule album launch this Sunday. So kulo ndoda owabuzayo wathi Colin ingoma yegospel imeli bende so. Baye ngaziseceleni ngathi hayi ingoma indele 8 minutes ingoma enjeni but you never know.
Yeah,
you never know. So asambe seyibukela ingoma ezimnandi ezinde uyabe sitshayela uColin Moyo massive energy nxa ungamazi uColin uyachaza sibile energy emnandi lama PVs akha sharp bagida abantu bakhona they love what they are doing. So let's go and support Colin Moyo. 3rd October seqalisa iKwantutu Comedy Festival angikho ku line up which is okay because anti very aswi but comedy festival kwaBulawayo we have a theater night ku festival we have a films night ku festival then ansakwazi kunyokhona but it's a festival a comedy festival ekama 40 122 comedy festival amanye amashow aseBulawayo theater amanye amashow aseCotton Lounge kuyabe kusenzakala nje njalo kwampana. So let's go and check that out and sikholise hayo kunye lami kungeqile bakithi bengela data and kuyatholakala xa ufumfakela idata anyani.
So guys,
I think that's all that I have. Yeah, very because of funeral I think I'm sure amaningi abe ku standby. Yeah.
So guys, there you have it from us. Nondo Tuzongube lo General Leslie khona lapha enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events. Like we said earlier on, inkampani enkulu edila ngama events le media solutions. So whenever you want to host an event, you need an events planner, get in touch with Deb3 Events. Whatever type of event, corporate, social events, church events, family events, anything often kuyenza, just get in touch with Deb3 Events. If you're a musician upcoming or upcame, you need rehearsal space, you need studio, you need sound engineering solutions, just get in touch with Deb3 Events. Also for your photography, videography, you can also get ama services and allow quality services khona lapha at Deb3 Events. And also guys, ngingakavalelisi ngithi follow Deb3 Events across all social media platforms. Sikhona ku Facebook, sikhona ku Instagram, sikhona ku Twitter, sikhona ku TikTok, Deb3 Events. Ungafollowa ke lathi ke ama hosts awenkundleni exclusive Nondo Tuzongube across all platforms, then silo General Leslie laye across all platforms.
Yeah, nihlala ngimkhumbuzo mama lo. Wena akukhuluma amabhuku man.
ingwalo zikhona from your one and only favorite umlobi sikhona buchitheka bugayiwe isihlalo sikababa umhlaba ungihlanekele zikhona ingwalo ziyatholakala eCarwash $10 price. You can get inovel oyifunayo uyakwanisa ukuthi ngudeliverele nxa use town khona lapha I can get the books to come to you. You can also come and get your own books Carwash. It's along 4th Street between Masocha and Conant Avenue.
Yeah. Then mawuse Canada, Australia, Japan, Venezuela, Jamaica, Sri Lanka, West Indies, angazi khona ngalo ngabukhona, and you can just contact uNonduduzo Ncube direct kuma platforms akhe wonke, then siyameka sure ukuthi ibhuku liyaphapha ugogo lomthanyelo liyaphapha ibhuku lizofika kuwe nawo uzophaphisa imali izofika ki. So if you need a book and you are far away and ufuna ukubala ingwalo zika Nonduduzo Ncube, just get in touch with her kuma platforms akhe and sizayenza iplan ukuthi ibhuku lifike kuwe. Then nxa ufuna futhi ukwathengisa wena eCanada, Australia, Sri Lanka, Japan, khona ngale usithano ngicela impela amabhuku amaningi mfuna ukuwathengisa lami ngapha because bakhona abantu besintwini abafuna kwabala, contact uNonduduzo siyakwazi ukukwenzela iplan. Well, thina zitha selibulele ilizwe njoba selifile, thina la sesifuna kuyaphumula, izulu liyana kuyaqanda okwakhathesi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, ubusupress okuyibhera kwama notification, ubusufaka ama comment bakithi, ube njengoFanuel Nkomo umngane wami omkhulu, ungapomba ukutula ufake i-comment siza ukuthi siphambanise ngapi kumbe senze kuhle ngapi kumbe ufake phela le mali data manje indaba ore ngiyazilalela salibona singalikhangela.